Welcome to Digital Nuclei. Today we will create an AI generated video using Canva. So let's get started. There are multiple ways to begin. You can either click on Generate Video Instantly tab in the Design section or click on the Canva Assistant as depicted and select the Magic Design for Video option. And last but not the least, from the home page you can click on the Magic Studio and select Magic Design for Video. After that, click on Try Magic Design and the design window will pop up. Here I selected 10 images based on my theme of the Digital Nuclei and prompted Video for Digital Nuclei channel, which has AI tools, website development and digital solutions. In the Pro version, here you can select 10 images as I am doing right now, and in the free version 5 images can be selected based on your theme. Click on the Generate button and you are done. Let's see how the video has turned out. The video has issues as this tech is still in development phase. Nonetheless, it is an excellent option for creating Instagram and WhatsApp Reels and YouTube Shorts with very little efforts. Comment down your experience of using the same tool. For more such videos and interesting content, subscribe to the Digital Nuclei.